Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I want you to say hello to a few other people as well. Hello, Sienna.
Hello.
And hello, Mama. There we go. And so we are going to do this unboxing of this special POCO F3 right here. And this is a special one because it's a Moonlight Silver version. Sienna, what do you think of Moonlight Silver? Is it a beautiful color?
Yes.
Wow, and we have 8 gigs and 256 gigs of storage. Isn't that amazing? Amazing indeed. So now you're going to help me out. Let's unbox this bad boy together. Let's lift it up and have a look at the color. What does that say?
Welcome to the POCO family.
That's right. Thank you for choosing POCO, and POCO here with a beautiful color of a phone. The POCO F3, the same one we knew, with a Snapdragon 870, 6.67, 120 Hz AMOLED, Dolby Atmos, and the 48 triple camera system. Now let's have a look at the back.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think of the color?
It is white.
Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it now. Let's tear off the plastic. I want you to pull that tab right there. Pull. Keep pulling. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. And rip off the sticker. Do you want to rip off a sticker? Oh yeah, there we go. And look at that color. It is stunning. The POCO F3 in this beautiful Moonlight Silver color. And I want to pass it off first to Sienna. What are your thoughts on this color?
The color is white.
It's white. It's beautiful. Now, I think this is almost like a princess color. Which princess do you think this is most like?
This looks like Aurora.
Aurora from Rapunzel? No, I think this is more of a Mulan phone right here. And now I'm going to compare it here to the original POCO F3. There you see it. And I got to ask you, Mama, take this in your hands and have a look. There you go. What do you think compared to this phone? Which one do you like better?
I like the Moonlight better.
You like the color better, eh?
This is more like a silver look.
Yes, it's beautiful, isn't it?
And I like
It
the
has, like,
white one.
Different
The golden one.
It looks different texture.
I like
Yeah.
both of them.
Okay, well, I think she likes both of them, but personally, I think this is a beautiful new Moonlight Silver color. It is stunning. And once again, just a quick first look here of this color with all the same wonderful specs of the POCO F3. But you know what? We're going to wrap this quick first look. If you guys want to see a full review of this one, definitely stay tuned, guys. And let's wrap this up. If you like this video, give me that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And
this is Sienna and Frankie and Mama Tech.
something like that. But let's do it together. And this is where we leave them by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.